Ansem we mu no pani ba ko a waka NPP communication team ho na nakwadwa je yeboa ono de to mampani adodan kwa kufu ado anim senke be ya ni manimi ye no IGP owura dampare wonyi no enfri ho ne potifor miensa na wondini ewo mu no NDC ni so a na wono so te adwa no eso wo na otwi mu no ono so kan sampofo de fa ho Adom TV etwaso
observation is a president and sack the IGP on sacking the 3 police officers in free police service. The 4 of them, all of them must go. Mame, the security front ni kuta yenso mayeno. Say divided that. Yemfanko war. And bear in mind, the COP Mensa, why director in charge of police operations before. And let me tell you, COP Mensa, I want the boys of police service. The same as IGP Dampare want the boys of police service. Mammy, I want to fair entertaining. They were police in him. Say, a beer winning police moon some papa. Or my working under COP Mensa, or benefiting from working under him, they hold allegiance to him. And almost who are benefiting under Dampare who hold allegiance to him. I'm not against any of these officers. Dampare is doing fantastic job. Maybe share the way the police officers. Itimichiachi minister. That young police officers know. Itimichiachi minister of state. Ubeka wanumun semunira. Dampare release.
Then now that is why I do such stage you know. You hear the person. Under NDC has where you Juma Alex Mensa. I don't want you Juma. When you Juma as a UP, they should know. Be until I say when you do as a professional person. Now this man is able to say, "Oh, Kasa," he is been speaking on that in committee. No, okay. Just now to say, okay, baby, I could do yep. Upon Kasa no, and me pay IGP but ye per se NPP in 2024, and will be a bit NPP agenda. The track of the issue. In fact, issue I can you be pay IGP or be per se to me be say this very election one block no. Because to be said, someone can say, you know, election is a mafia game. And what's the mafia? Mafia. The money say to a bar, and this kind of mafialism and amoye. Until we get your some elections, so the crap, I'm going to say, friends, Alex Shabante, I'm going to say, so this is what they want at the highest level.